Hello again, everyone. Well, I'm back from my daughter's. I had a lovely, lovely Christmas. It was wonderful to have both my children and all my grandchildren together on Boxing Day. Magical, really. My daughter had bought a karaoke machine with 2 microphones, and everybody was having, I don't know the words, but I was enjoying it, and they were singing along, and big cousin, little cousin, fabulous. Anyway, I'm now, as I say, playing catch up. Christmas Day one, it looks to me like a box of sweets or a box of something, so I thought I'd just cut out a box, cut out a whole bunch of these, colour them, stick them in, and pop them onto a card. And I thought it would make a birthday. Today is actually the 28th. Say, I just got back from my daughter's, so I hadn't seen Christmas days or Boxing Days or the 27th or even today. So I'm behind everybody else. So there is where I've cut out the little gizmos to go in. I've left them in there to colour. I have cut a small card. This is just half a sheet of A4, just folded in the regular book way. And I found a couple of, this is a bit out of the middle of a ring that I used for another card. And this one is just a sort of a backdrop. And I just thought I would have them kind of like that, with what did I do with, I cut out a box somewhere. What did I do with that? Oh, crikey. Story of my life, isn't it? Really? Well, I just have to cut another one. Honestly, I really don't know what I do with stuff. It disappears at an alarming rate. Let's just cut out another box. I did cut one out. Honestly, you wouldn't believe it, would you? I've also stamped a sentiment, a happy birthday sentiment. And I thought, as these were wiggly lines, the rough edges of these Francois Reed stamps would be rather in keeping. So, yes, today is my daughter's birthday. She was a little late Christmas present, 45 years ago. And she is an absolute joy. We were there on Christmas Eve with her. We went for Christmas Eve, and they always host a lunch on Christmas Eve for friends. And there were friends of the kids, friends of my daughters, and us, and it was lovely. So look, let me just colour these. I don't know what I did with the others. They'll rock up somewhere. I think I'll do them silver. I'm just going to colour them with this silver marker. So it's just like a tin of whatevers. There we go, that's that. Now we'll colour those other ones. And this is going to be really, really, really such a quick card because I have got so many to catch up with. So let's do red hearts. I would do R2 for those. There's one. There's two. And there's three. There's green trees. I'll do... Is this too dark, I wonder? Let me just... Is this too dark? This is a bit. I think it needs to be a touch brighter. Let's have 270. That's a good one. All right, there's that one. And I don't know what the other one is quite. I think we'll do it yellow. Y2, let's have that. So I think this is going to be the quickest of all quicks, really. Let's see. Now, I can still see the grain on these pieces of card, so I want to get them kind of level. Let's just put a bit of glue on the back of this. This is a new thing of glue, and it it comes out really quickly. And I was having a bit of trouble with it earlier. Now let's see, get these like that. I fancy this sort of like that with that on there. The lid just kind of slightly like that. And these little gizmos just popping inside. I think I'll put a little tiny bit of foam tape just under. Oh, I haven't stuck the whole thing down, have I? Just stuck the top one to the bottom one. Right, let me. Is that? It will stick. I'll put a bit of tape runner on this. This is immediate attachment. Let's try again. That can go there. Well, I must cut out this happy birthday to see where this is going to go. I've misplaced my scissors. Let's do this one. And now I'm going to put my little bit of foam tape on the middle of this, just a touch, and then the glue can go on the sides. Okay, this is my old glue. It's so much easier to handle. Oh dear. Comes out in a more unified manner. Right. Have I lost the happy now? No, here it is. Foam tape on these as well. Now, on Christmas Eve, we went to Bath Abbey for the Carol Praise service, and we arrived after plenty of time, and the queue to get in started at the west door, went right the way around the church, and we joined it somewhere sort of the equivalent of behind the altar around the outside of the church, but it soon filtered in, and we were sitting up in the choir where we had a good vision of the actual choirs, the girls' choir who was singing. It's the alumni choir. They're, at Christmas, the girls who have been in the choir previously come back to do the carol service, which is absolutely beautiful. Their voices were sublime, absolutely sublime. Now I'm going to put a bit of twinkle on these, as I do. Oh, that's the wrong side. It's the right side. There we go. Now we'll pop those into the box if I can sort this out. Get my tweezers. Got a bit of glue on the end of them. There's the heart. Where's the lid? There it is. Let's see what we can do with the lid. A bit like that, I think. Right, just another couple and we're kind of done. Really quick one today. And then I'll start on the 26th. These are absolutely tiny. There we go. I'm just wondering about some little silver stars, actually. I think that would be a good idea. I think just a few little silver stars I have a fancy for. Let me get some stars out. I use this as sort of a background dye, really, that just takes stars out, but I use it to make stars, to stick on stuff. Just colour them silver. Right. I shan't use all of these, I don't suppose. There we go. I think that's enough. So there we are. Day 25. Little box of something. Little box of goodies. So happy birthday to somebody. Happy birthday to my daughter today. And let's have a look now and see what's in number 26. I'll see you soon.